You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this famous Spanish actor. If you want to learn more confusing names from Spain and movie celebrities, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in Spanish as Javier, Javier, Javier. Stress a bit on the R syllable. Javier. In English, you can use the pronunciation as Javier, Javier. Bardem. That's Spanish pronunciation of his surname. Bardem, Bardem. Stress on the dem syllable. Overall, the Spanish pronunciation is as Javier Bardem. In English, you can say it as Javier Bardem, Javier Bardem. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.